Listen, do you think I'm crazy about the warehouse? You think I'm in love with continental shoemakers? Do you think I want to spend the rest of my life down there in that Celotex interior with fluorescent tubes? Look, I'd rather somebody picked up a crowbar and battered out my brains than go mornings. But I go. Every time you come in yelling that goddamn rise and shine, rise and shine, I say to myself how lucky dead people are. But I go for $65 a month. I give up all that I dream of doing and being ever. And you say self is all I ever think of, Mother. Why, if self is all I ever thought of, I'd be where Dad is. Gone as far as the system of transportation reaches. Don't you grab at me, Mother. I'm going to opium dens. Yes, Mother, dens of vice. Criminal hangouts, Mother. I've joined the Hogan gang. I'm a hired assassin. I run a string of cat houses in the valley. They call me Keller. Killer Wingfield. I'm leading a double life, Mother. I'm a simple, honest warehouse worker by day. But by night, I'm a dynamic czar of the underworld. Well, I could tell you things to make you sleepless, Mother. My enemies, they plan to dynamite us. Some night they're gonna blow us all sky high. And I'll be happy, and so will you. You'll go up, up, up on a broomstick with 17 gentlemen callers, you ugly, babbling old witch.